Ever imagined if you could be in two places at once or teleport instantly from one place to another? Welcome to the intriguing realm of quantum physics, a study that delves into the microscopic universe, examining the behavior of its tiniest constituents such as atoms and photons. In this minuscule world, the ordinary laws of physics that we're familiar with take a back seat. Instead, strange and fascinating phenomena rule, phenomena that challenge our understanding of reality. Take superposition, for instance. It's a concept where particles exist in multiple states simultaneously. Sounds wild, doesn't it? And then there's the mind-boggling theory of quantum entanglement. This is where two particles become interconnected in such a way that the state of one instantly influences the other, no matter how far apart they are. It's as if they're playing a cosmic game of Simon Says, with no regard for distance or time. In the quantum world, it seems like the impossible becomes possible. Welcome to the realm of quantum quirkiness. How about firing a single particle through two slits and it somehow going through both at the same time? Sounds wild, doesn't it? Well, welcome to the world of quantum mechanics. One of the most famous experiments in this realm is the double slit experiment, a strange phenomenon that leaves us questioning our understanding of reality. Imagine you're firing a single particle, say a photon or an electron, at a barrier with two slits. You'd expect the particle to go through one slit or the other, right? But that's not what happens. Instead, the particle behaves like a wave, passing through both slits simultaneously and creating an interference pattern on the other side. This pattern, much like the ripples when you drop two pebbles into a pond, is a clear sign of wave behavior. But here's where it gets even weirder. If you try to observe which slit the particle goes through, the interference pattern disappears. The particle, aware it's being watched, behaves like a particle again and goes through one slit or the other, not both. This bizarre behavior is known as wave-particle duality. So what's going on here? Welcome to the concept of quantum superposition. In the quantum world, particles can be in multiple places at once, existing in all possible states simultaneously. It's only when we observe them that they snap out of this superposition and choose a definite state. This is known as the observer effect. But it's not just the act of observing that's important, it's the consciousness behind the observation. Some scientists suggest that the very act of conscious observation can influence the outcome of quantum events. In the double-slit experiment, the particle doesn't decide where to go until it's observed. It's as if the particle knows it's being watched and changes its behavior accordingly. So, it's not just about what is being observed, but also who or what is doing the observing. This suggests that consciousness and the physical world are deeply interconnected in ways we're just beginning to understand. Welcome to the mind-bending world of quantum physics. What if two particles, no matter how far apart, could affect each other instantaneously? Welcome to the curious world of quantum entanglement. This peculiar concept is all about two particles becoming inseparably linked, so much so that the state of one can instantly influence the other, no matter the distance between them. Imagine tossing a coin. It's either heads or tails, right? But in the quantum world, until you look, it's both. Now imagine two coins in quantum entanglement. Flip one, and the other, no matter how far away, knows instantly whether to land heads or tails to match its partner. Albert Einstein famously called this spooky action at a distance. He was a bit skeptical about it, but countless experiments have since confirmed its reality. It defies our everyday understanding of the world, stretching the boundaries of what we consider possible. It's like having a twin who feels your pain even when miles away. But why does this all matter? Can quantum physics impact your everyday life? Absolutely. Though it might seem like a realm of abstract and baffling concepts, quantum physics is not just theoretical. It has real-world applications that are rapidly changing our lives. Take, for instance, quantum computing. This burgeoning field leverages the principle of quantum superposition, where particles can exist in multiple states at once to provide exponentially greater computing power. This quantum advantage could revolutionize everything from drug discovery to climate modeling. Then there's quantum cryptography, a cutting-edge technology that uses the peculiar phenomenon of quantum entanglement for secure communication. By entangling particles and sending them over long distances, we can create a communication channel that's virtually unhackable. This could redefine security in the digital age. So next time you send a secure message or use a super-fast computer, remember, you have the quantum world to thank for that.